Duha ka beses nga gin-suspend ang sesyon sang Senado bangod sang mainit nga pagsabtanay na day Senator Kiko Pangilinan kag Senate Minority Leader Peter Cayetano. Si Pangilinan among sponsors sang Senate Resolution number 256 nga nagakondena sa mga pahayag sang Chinese Embassy sa Manila batok sa mga opisyal kag institusyon sang Pilipinas. Sa among nga debate, gininsister ni Cayetano nga nakasala si Philippine Coast Guard o kun PCG spokesman for West Philippine Sea Commodore J. Tariela bangod sa paggamit sang caricature ni Chinese President Xi Jinping kadungan sang isa ka speaking engagement. Suno kay Cayetano, delikado ang ginhimo ni Tariela kung diplomasya ang istoryahan. Ini ang rason suno sa iya nga hindi masuportahan sang Senate Minority si Tariela sa among resolusyon ni Pangilinan. Nagsabat naman si Pangilinan nga wala man gani na mensionar ang pangalan ni Tariela sa resolusyon. Ang ginatumod suno kay Pangilinan, amo ang pangkabugusan nga social media operations sang embahada sang China. Kung istoryahan naman ang caricature, suno kay Pangilinan, amo man gani sini ang ginahimo sang China kaangay sang Chinese state-controlled media outlet nga Xinhua nga masami nagapublish sang caricature ni President Bongbong Marcos. Gin-suspend na ang sesyon sang nagpamangkot si Cayetano nga kun amo sini ang panindugan ni Pangilinan, mahimo bala suno sa iya nga makapost man o kun makapakita ang iya staff sang isa ka meme nga nagapakita sang itsura ni Pangilinan.
We cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
We would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt
See,
Mr.
so
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No, bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I
No,
ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide?
Mr.
left?
President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tingnan nyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges, Mr.
no.
President. You are simplifying
Session
what
is
is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated international.
Ang una nga pag-suspend sang sesyon bangod sang tensyon sa tunga ni Pangilinan kag ni Cayetano. Nag-initay pagiliwat sa ni Cayetano kag Pangilinan sanggin pamangkot sang minority leader kung ano gid nga statement sang Chinese Embassy ang ginaistoryahan nila kag luyag nga ikondenar sa among resolusyon. Ginsabat ni Pangilinan nga kung mag-research si Cayetano, may baluan man sini kung anong iya ginatumod. Nag-raise ang point of order si Cayetano apang nanindugan si Pangilinan nga wala pa ini nakatapos sa paghambal. Yari ang ilaliwat nga pagsabtanay.
A little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these because this
Point
refers
of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan, the nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw natin.
I'm not yet done.
No, that's why I gave
Philippine
you,
officials,
Mr. President,
including
that's why I gave a point of
members
order.
of the Senate. May I just be? I am still
It's a
speaking,
point of order, Mr. President. A point of order precedes your precedence. Di ba?
Mr. President,
May we state, Mr. President, may we ask the minority floor leader to state the point of order, which part of the rules was,
Sige, Mr. President.
which part of the rules was
Wala.
violated?
I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature. Ano ngang statement?
Mr. President,
So, in the
this is a
same manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where is-
admit
where is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
My
of order,
motion
Mr.
for
President? Where is the point of order?